Hey loves, thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my second month of my monthly mission. So if you are new to my channel or you don't know, I have come up with a series on my channel where I choose certain products that may be new to me or have gotten lost in my collection, and I jumble them up together and I use them throughout the month, and then let you know at the end of the month what my thoughts are. I might include some tutorials or first impressions or things like that along the way, but that is pretty much what I decided to do. So for February, I know January I had a kind of mixture of old and new products, but pretty much February is entirely new products. I just have done multiple makeup hauls, as I'm sure you guys have noticed. So I've spent a lot of money and gotten a lot of new makeup, so I am eager to try it. So I decided to kind of pick pick more than a few, and put them together for my February monthly mission. So last month I had tried two new foundations. I tried the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation. I tried the L'Oreal Cushion whatever foundation. So the Healthy Elixir was obviously a hit, and then the cushion was not so much. So again, I have a liquid foundation and then something a little bit different. So I'm trying this month the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade 112 Natural Ivory. And then I'm also trying a stick foundation for the first time, and I decided to go ahead and get the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade R230. So as far as shade comparison, they're very similar, but we'll see which one I like better as far as a stick, or if I like the Superstay foundation. So I'm eager to try both of those out. And then I have a crap ton of highlighters. Yeah, I have a lot of highlighters. So I have 4 different highlighters. I have never tried any Fenty Beauty anything, so I recently picked up their little mini set. So I got a deluxe sample size of Hustler Baby. So I am so eager to try that out. I've heard nothing but amazing things about the Fenty Beauty highlighters, so I'm thinking that it's really going to be a hit this month, so I'm excited to try that. I also have the e.l.f. Collaboration with That's Heart. There's a highlighter duo, so there's a lighter and a darker highlight. I'm excited to try that. I think the darker one might be a little bit too dark, but we're going to try it out and see how that goes. I also have an Essence Beauty Winter Dreaming 2-in-1 highlighter and blush powder. So we have the highlighter on the top and the blush on the bottom. Just seems very convenient to have both together, so I'm hoping that the pigmentation and the quality is great. Essence usually never lets me down, so I'm excited to try that. And then I also have the Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. Looking at it now, it's a little bit deep for my skin, so I'm not sure how well I'm going to like it. I'm almost thinking I probably should have got the rose gold one, but we're going to try it out and see how it goes. If anything happens, I know for a fact that it's definitely going to be better for me in the summertime, because obviously you're tanner in the summer, but the pigmentation and everything looks very promising, so I'm excited for that. I have a huge bronzer to try. Like, this thing is almost as big as my face. It's huge. It's the Sub Club Matte Bronzing Powder for Lighter Skin by Essence. So I'm excited to try that. It also has kind of like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer kind of scent. It has like that coconut-y, beachy scent. So I'm excited to try that. What else do we got going on here? So I have a couple mascaras to try. Both are kind of promising the same thing. Lately, a lot of brands have been coming out with mascaras that are equivalent or very similar to having false lashes on. I hate putting false lashes on. I will do everything in my power to not have to put false lashes on. So when multiple brands came out with this type of mascara, I was like, yes. So I have one from the drugstore and I have one higher end. I have the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara. It has a primer, and then it has the mascara, so it's like a 2-step one. And then the Benefit brand came out with the Bad Gal Bang 36-hour voluminizing mascara, and I have seen people put it on Snapchat where they're literally applying it, and it's like, you can't edit that. and their lashes look bomb. So I'm so pumped to try both of these. I might even do like a comparison video. I'm not sure yet, but I'm excited for both of those a lot. The next thing that I have to try is some concealers. So last month I tried the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer, and it was a bust. Dang, my baby hair is out today. Alright, we're just going to pretend like that's not there. So last month I tried the Essence Camouflage Concealers, and it was a complete bust. I thought it was going to be equivalent to the Catrice concealers because they were made by the same manufacturer, but I didn't like them. I didn't like the applicator. I didn't like the formula. Yada, yada, yada. These are everywhere. Everyone's talking about the Makeup Revolution concealer, so I was like, alright, let me try them. But I've also seen people talk about how there's like a strong chemical smell, and you know I am not a fan of bad smells on my makeup. I just don't like it. So I'm nervous, but I'm also eager to try these because the coverage looks promising, but if it smells chemically, I'm not putting that under my eye. Like, I'm not. So we'll see how that goes. And then we got two glosses. I don't know why I said it like that. But I'm typically a matte liquid lipstick type of girl. I recently started wearing actual lipsticks. That's what I have on today. I have on the Maybelline Clay Crush Matte Lipstick, and I actually really like it. It's really comfortable. I like the color. But I've been trying a lot of different glosses lately, and I've been starting to like more of like a glossier look. So I ended up getting the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb with the little mini highlighter. So I'm like really excited to try that because that I've seen on multiple skin tones and it looks amazing on all skin tones. And then also I picked up the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lip gloss in the shade Tease, and it just looks like a very neutral light pink that I can put on over anything, even over this lipstick I'm wearing now. So I'm really excited about both of those. I think both of these are really going to be big hits for me this month, especially because I've really been liking gloss a lot. And then I went to my local Marshalls. If you have a local Marshalls or a local TJ Maxx, you need to go. They have Anastasia, they have Stila, they have Smashbox, they have Too Faced. They have so many luxurious brands for a fraction of the price. And I'm not trying to advertise for them. I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money. But if you want to save money, go to your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx. So I went to my TJ Maxx and it was a bust. I was kind of bummed. But I've been like searching everywhere for the Anastasia blush kits. People keep finding them at Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but I can't find them at mine. So then I went to Marshalls. I'm like, come on, I need to find an Anastasia highlighting palette, blush kit, something. I found a highlighting palette, but it was all swatched and gross, and I was like, I'm not buying that. But I found the Smashbox Spotlight palette in the shade Pearl. This is the one that they had done with Casey Holmes. It's not the same exact packaging as her original one with like the gold packaging or something like that, but the formula and the colors and everything is the same. And typically I think they're like $30-something on the Smashbox website, and I got it for $14.99. So I was like hype, and like look at these colors. I'm so excited to try this. Man, I have a lot of highlighters. I'm going to be glowing for the month of February. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. You might as well count this as 5, 6, 7, 8 highlighters to try this month. God damn it, Ashley. Alright. So I'm really excited to try this. I think I've heard great things about the formula. The colors look promising for my skin tone, things like that. So I am really excited to try that. And like I said, check out your Marshalls and your TJ Maxx. You will be surprised with what you can find. Alright, last thing I got is my eyeshadow palette for the month. I'm going to be trying the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And this is my first Huda Beauty purchase, and I am so excited to play with this. This is like the perfect like Valentine's Day colors. It's a shame I didn't film this earlier and make a Valentine's Day look, but it has like the deep purples. It's got like some pink shimmery shades. It's got like a brown transition shade. It's It's my first Huda Beauty palette, and I really hope that I fall in love with it, because then I will justify spending $70 on her full-size eyeshadow palettes. But yes, this is the plan for the month of February. We are going to be glowing all month. I'm going to be trying out these products, and I'm going to let you know what I think at the end of the month. I'll do my final recap. And I do plan on doing like a first impressions video and maybe a tutorial with this eyeshadow palette as well. So be on the lookout for that. Also, if you are not already, go to my Instagram, go follow me. I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram. You have to be subscribed to my channel to enter, so go ahead and go check that out. I'm giving away eyeshadow palettes, a highlighter, mascara, a bunch of lips products. So go enter. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you soon.